Now, how to rename the columns in the GPT? We already know in the data GPT we have 10 columns. In this, I am taking a country and region. I want to change this country and region to country. This is appearing like a dictionary format. Already we have familiarized in the Python. So we are changing, to change that we are writing GPT in which the entire data is presenting. GPT dot rename. We want to rename what we are renaming. We are going into the columns. So GPT dot rename, open brace columns. In these columns, which column you want to change. So equal to flower braces, country, region, you want to change to country. So this is in place true. So if we execute this, you will get, we are executing this. See here, the country or region is changed to country. Similarly, you want to change, example, latitude. Instead of LAT, you are interested in, for the latitude, you want to give a new name ABC. Okay, so we will execute this. Now you observe here, in place of the latitude it is ABC. In this way, if I write in place false, then this will not. Okay. Okay, previously already latitude changed. This time if I am taking longitude is equal to DEF. If I write in place false and execute, see here, the longitude is not changed to DEF. It will be, the longitude will be changed to DEF only if we write the true. Now this time I am writing true, and observe here, the longitude is changed to DEF. This is how we rename the columns in the data. Even though we are having 100 columns, the columns in the data can be renamed by taking columns and country, whatever the column you want to rename, you can rename it.